To stop talkback from reading the password you type in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Next, scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap advanced setting and then tap the blue on off switch next to speak password to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. When this option is off, next time you enable talkback, it will not speak the password you type. However, talkback will keep reading the password when you are using your headphone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.